welcome back to Siskruti. I hope you're liking my videos. In my last video, I had shown you how to prepare lip balm at home. Following that, in this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare lip scrub at home. Lip scrub is basically meant to remove the dead skin from your lips, that is, exfoliate the dead cells from your lips. The lip skin is very thin, sensitive and tender. So we are using castor sugar as the main ingredient for scrubbing, unlike the normal sugar which we regularly use for body scrubs. Let me remind you that one should scrub the lips not more than once a week. Here we have coconut oil. It's cold pressed. This is 50 grams of coconut oil. 5 grams of vitamin E oil, 50 grams of castor sugar. It's very fine, finer than the regular sugar. We have half a teaspoon of beetroot powder. It helps in restoring the natural color of the lips. We have 50 grams of shea butter and a few drops of essential oil. Any essential oil is fine. I have taken lemon. Let us mix all the ingredients now in one bowl. I am not mixing the essential oil as it has fragrance and it loses its potency if we heat it up. And I am even not mixing the vitamin E, the castor sugar and the beetroot. We will be mixing the rest of the ingredients after complete cooling. Now we are just melting the butter and the oil in a double boiler. We have kept this mixture in a double boiler. You can see that the butter and the oil has melted completely. Now we'll keep this in the refrigerator for cooling. After cooling, let us give this a quick whisk before we add the remaining ingredients. To this mixture of oil and butter, we are going to add the remaining ingredients: the vitamin E oil, essential oil, beetroot powder, and finally castor sugar. Fill this in a clean and dry container. As I said, use it once a week. If you liked my video, please subscribe the channel.